Hi everyone, today we will be sharing about basic currency module. First, you need to create new currency, press new. For example, you can use USD dollar. You can change the buy rate at 3.2 and selling rate at 3.5. You also can change the date from, for example, 1st May 2019 to 31st May 2019. You also need to change the buying rate at 3.3 and selling rate at 3.6. You also can change the color for new currency. For example, here for the blue color, and you can save it.
Okay, after we set the currency code, we go to the customer and maintain the customer and create a new customer and type the company name ABD Sedile Baha. After we type the company name, we go to the address and type the address Jalan AS 121 AS 12 47500 Subang Jaya. Selangor. After this, we check the currency code to US dollar and set it across the maintain customer.
So next we create a new invoice. Now click new and select the customer ABD, and we can change the date here, change to June and put the invoice number. So if we change the date to, let's say, May, you can see the rate like this, and change back to June and the rate will change again. So plus the item here, let's say A4 paper and pencil. So the quantity, let's put 5, and here we also put 5. Alright, now you can see here this is the total amount for ringgit and here is total amount for USD. Now you can click save and you have it. Okay.
After that, go to customer payment. Okay, click new and go to customer code. For example, ABD's neighborhood. Put in your receive in, for example, cash at bank, and put in your check number. For example, here MBB1234, and change your date to 1/7/2019 and put in your OR number OR0010, for example, and don't forget to put in your paid amount, for example here $50, and check your currency USD and rate and save it, and you can see your loss or gain here and set OK, and that's all. Okay, don't forget to subscribe our video. Please like and share this video to your all friends. Bye, thank you, peace out.